My name is Simon Krauss, VP of Product at Koalafi. We help merchants, stores, or retailers offer payment plans to their customers to help them make essential household purchases and make those payments over time. Before using GoLinks, like with any company, we have lots of important information stored in lots of different systems with no great way to find them. And sometimes they get pinned in a Slack channel, but then someone had to remember to pin them, and then you had to go know which channel it was pinned in. GoLinks helps me just know where to go for stuff. I find myself referencing a lot of the same types of content in a way that, hey, I don't want to have those tabs open all the time. Like I'm not reading our employee handbook every day, but I do to consultant for policies for me or the people on my team, and to just know, hey, go/employee handbook. That's all I need to ever remember. Is really easy. I want more people to use them because I love when people send me Go links and not regular links. Regular links are way less exciting. People often can be skeptical at first. They're like, this sounds a lot like a bookmark. I already have bookmarks. Why can't you just share a link? But I think once they see doing things like sharing dashboards or sharing kind of common internal resources, I think they get hooked.